Hi guys, this is a struggling veteran reporting in for a nice rainy day in the car. Still haven't found other accommodation yet, so I've still got 2 months left to get an other accommodation. Maybe I get it, maybe I don't, who knows. If I don't, this will be my home, my car. Yes, it's raining now at the moment, we're going to have a wet, and I think we're going to have a cold winter here down here in the Western Cape. So guys, please like and subscribe to my channel and share it if you would like. There are a lot of people in South Africa, irrespective of their color, that are already battling, and I'm one of those people that are battling at the moment. Unfortunately, the place that I was been living in for the past 13 years has been sold, and it's going to be developed into student accommodation, unfortunately. Oh well guys, take care, and I hope you all have a good day. I will be back hopefully soon with another video. Bye for now.